Nick Phelps. For 5th place, Chippewa Hills, Austin Spadowski. Salem, Charlie Woody. 130-pound championship bout. This young man is a junior from Dearborn, Fortson. 24 wins, 1 loss. One-time state qualifier in 2014. 2-time regional qualifier. 86 career wins. 2014 Wayne County champion. And he carries a 3.6 career GPA from Dearborn, Fortson, Ajami. His opponent is a sophomore. He hails from Farwell. 18 wins, 1 loss. 2014 Conference, District, and Regional Champion. 3rd in the state finals. 215 champion at Carver. Parma Western, Wyandotte Invites. Named outstanding wrestler at the Parma Western Invitational from Farewell, Glenn Beardsley. Farwell, correction. 135, Chippewa Hills, Slade Todd.